Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windows updates and a restart are already done. This prevents conflicts. Once done, close background apps so Outlook can update without locking files. Open Outlook and sign in as the account owner. You need an active connection. Then go to File and look for Account or Office Account. This is the first actionable step because it places you in the update controls where you can begin the actual update process. Now you execute the update. In Outlook, select File, then Office Account or Account Settings depending on your build. Click Update Options and choose Update Now. This forces Office to check Microsoft servers for the latest Outlook patches. You will see a progress indicator. Let it download and install without interruption. Make sure your internet stays connected and power settings prevent sleep. If prompted, allow elevated permissions so files can be updated and restarted as needed. Finish by restarting Outlook and then reboot the PC to ensure all components load with the new files. Once restarted, go back to File Office Account about Outlook to confirm the version changed. This proves success. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Run Quick Repair or Online Repair from Control Panel Programs Microsoft Office. This fixes corrupted files and often resolves update failures. Finally, make sure antivirus isn't blocking installers and try updating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.